Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. In this video, I will teach you how you can enhance your architecture projects. So, let's begin the video. Just you have to go and you have to open this Leonardo AI. You can browse that and you can open their website. Once you have opened the website, you have to simply go and you have to click on create an account. After creating the account, here you can see there are features. Here you have this image enhancer. You also have here style reference, and you can see here creating consistent characters are using. You can use all these features. For this video, I will just use their upscaling enlarging feature. Just go and click on that. Here you can read all the instruction and you can click on the get start option in the bottom. Now click on let's go. Now here just you have to go and you have to upload your photos. You can choose from your library. Once the photo is uploaded, here you can see different settings. Here you have this upscaling settings. Here you have upscale mode and you have here creativity strength. You can increase that if you want more creativity in your photo. And similarly here you also have this upscaler style and upscale mode. You can also select here size. Here you have this general 2D. You can select here one style according to your own choice. And you also have here upscale mode as well. Once done, simply go and click on generate. Here they are upscaling our image. Moreover, you can also go and you can generate an image here. Even you can use image guidance here as well. They are generating our image, so just wait for some time. And here we go. Our image has been upscaled. You can see here clearly the before and after results. You can see here how our image has been enhanced and all the features and detail has been added here. You can see here before that there was no lighting in the ceiling. But after that, here you can see the lighting as well in the ceiling and many more details. That's how this app basically works. Now let's go and try one more image. Here I have selected one image. Now here just you have to go and you have to select here the upscale mode. Then here you have to select here upscale style. For this video, I will just go with general style here. Then here you can increase the creativity strength and upscale multiplier. Here you can use the upscale dimension and even you can write here the prompt guidance if you want. Once done with all the things, just you have to go and you have to click on upscale. Now here they are upscaling our image, just wait for some time. And that's it, our image has been upscaled. Here you can clearly see the before and after results. Here if you will notice, then you will observe that many detail has been added to our image. And here you can see that how this app has did the job. I am honestly satisfied with the results and I highly recommend you this app. You should give it a try. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.